Okay, so after you replace the drive, you'll get this. The volume is degraded. They'll actually tell you here one or more storage pool SSD caches are degraded, basically because we replaced the drive. So we go to storage pool here. You can see it's degraded. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to action and we're going to repair. Okay, so you can see drive 1. Click that. We're going to go next. And here you go, not listed in Synology products. Oh, so the drive we put is not in the compatibility thing. Interesting. Does that mean it won't work? Oh, it says you can do it, you can continue. We'll consider it. Let me see. Okay, so it says if we continue, data might be lost. We're just going to continue. Alright, all data newly added drive will be erased. Are you sure you want to continue? Okay. And then we'll just apply, and basically it's gonna copy over the original drive that was working okay to the brand new drive that we installed in there. I believe I uploaded a video of the installation process if you want to see, and now you can see it says normal, healthy. So it's basically now copying everything to the new one, so we should be good. Oh, actually here you can see it says repairing, checking parity, consistency. So once that reaches 100%, then we should be good. It's basically making sure everything matches between the two drives. Alright, as you can see, it's now at 0.23%, so it's going to run for a long time, probably several hours. Alright, it's now up to 14.12%. Alright, it's at 28.53%, and I'm just going to leave it. This is at a customer's place, so yeah, I'm not going to stay till it hits 100%. Obviously, just shut it off when it's done, and it's good. And now it's 54.3%. Alright, that's it for now.